everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make a very soft almonds Kalakand recipe for this Diwali. It's quick, simple and has less sweet in it. So let's begin the process. Here I am taking some raw almonds. So these are not like the roasted or salted almonds. These are pure raw almonds that I am taking. I'm taking about 150 to 200 grams of this and we need to make a powder. But make sure not to run your mixie continuously for more than few seconds, otherwise almonds will start releasing its oil and it will become like a paste. We need to run the mixie for a few seconds, give a rest, mix it well and then again run it for a few more seconds. So like that I made this powder. Keep this aside and now I will heat up a frying pan. In this I am adding some water. This is about 2 cups of water. Into this I am adding pinch of elaichi powder for that extra flavor. Now I will add the almonds powder as well. Because Kalakand is very soft, we are adding the powder at this stage only, when water is not even boiling. But if you want to make almonds barfi, then you need to make a chashni by adding sugar in the water and allow this to properly cook and then only you can add the almonds powder. Now to make the Kalakand, we will mix our almonds powder in the water. Make sure there are no lumps. Now I am adding some jaggery. You can add any sweetener that you like. I have added about 3 to 4 spoons of jaggery and also a spoon of sugar. Give this a good mix. Now I am adding about 2 spoons of raisins. And also a spoon of cashew nuts. This is just for that extra crunch in our Kalakand. Keep stirring this, otherwise it may stick to the pan. Once the water dries out and our mixture also binds together, we need to switch off the flame. I have greased a steel plate with some ghee and will add the mixture in that plate. With the help of a spoon, we'll try to settle the paste. You can also add some silver paper if you want. Now we'll allow this to cool down and set properly. After 4 hours, we'll give shape to the Kalakand. I'm cutting them in square shapes. Once they are done and ready, I'm serving them. One good thing about making sweets at home is that you can adjust the level of sweetness that you want depending on your taste. So here we have our Diwali special less sweet almonds Kalakand all ready to be served. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.